Welcome to Beerstories from Beerstory Brewhouse. This is a video on how I built my keezer. If you like the video, please click like and subscribe down below. You'll make me very happy and you'll get the newest video directly in your YouTube feed. Well, this keezer is actually just an old freezer for ice cream. You can see the old sign up here. And then I built everything with scrap I had laying around in my garage. The iTap I got for Christmas, so this was actually free to build with parts I had laying around. But yeah, let's open it up and see how I built it. As you can see, I have two corny kegs down here and my CO2 tank. I've connected everything, all the power up here. I have a light for my sign. And then I have a contact for my heat. It's not necessary right now, but in the winter I think it's probably going to be necessary to be able to heat up the keezer, so I actually can contain about 10 degrees Celsius in here, like I prefer my beer. Yeah, and over here I just have everything connected, all the power, and the power goes down to the STC 1000 that controls the cooling mechanism and the heating. So basically that's it. Everything is done legally, of course. Yeah, and that's it. So when building a keezer like this, the most important thing is actually this wooden frame. Mine is pretty high because otherwise my corner case couldn't fit in there. Normally you just use one piece of wood, and that's easier to make airtight. But that's really important to make it airtight. So I glued this on and also glued it up here. And actually I had to to make sure that there were no edges or anything, so that this rubber seal could lie flat and be totally airtight. And then when you build a good frame, you just attach the lid again for your chest freezer or whatever, and basically that's it. And then of course have to the wooden piece, you put this in here to be able to put some kind of tap in here. And I have also made my my temperature control box, the STC 1000. I also put that in here. I think it looks cool and it's easy to adjust the temperature. And that's basically it. It's pretty easy to build. It takes a little time. I think I used a day on this. And then I just, some people paint it. I had some old malt bags lying around, so I just glued them on. And then these actually covers some of the wires that controls the cooling. So the power line goes in here as well. So it's totally clean on the outside. Only one power cord is going in, and that's it. Please click like and subscribe to the video. That would really make me happy. And if you have any questions at all, yeah, you should write me or find me elsewhere. Other than that, yeah, just have a happy brewing out there.